The Hiccups That Wouldn't Stop. A silly and fun story about problem solving and never giving up. Benny the bear walked along a grassy path, humming to himself. It was a beautiful morning in the forest, and Benny the bear was feeling very happy. La la la, what a lovely day. But then, hic, Benny stopped. His eyes went wide. His tummy did a little jump. Huh? What was that? Hic, Benny giggled. Oh no, I think I have the hiccups. Benny waddled through the forest, looking for help. First, he found Squeaky the squirrel. Squeaky is collecting acorns in a tree. Squeaky, I have the hiccups. How do I make them stop? Squeaky thought for a moment. I know. Try standing on one foot. Benny lifted one big bare paw and balanced on one foot. Benny wobbled. Like this? Hic. Benny fell over. Squeaky laughed. Oops, that didn't work. Next, Benny found Hoot the owl. Hoot is perched on a tree, reading a book. Benny called to Hoot. Hoot! My hiccups won't go away. What should I do? Aha! You must hold your breath. That always works. Benny took a deep breath. He holds it, and holds it, and holds it. Hic! Oops! He hiccuped anyway. Hoot chuckled. That didn't work either, huh? Then Benny met Freddy the frog. Freddy is hopping near the pond. Freddy, my hiccups won't stop. What do I do? Freddy was excited. Woo! I know. Drink upside down. It always works for me. Benny took a big sip of water while bending over. But, hike! Water went everywhere. Freddy laughed. Oops! Maybe that only works for frogs. Benny gave up. Then something funny happened. Benny sighed and plopped down on a log. I've tried everything. I guess I'll just have hiccups. Forever. Just then, a tiny little feather floated down from the sky and landed right on Benny's nose. Huh? What's this? The feather wiggled and tickled. And then Benny giggled. Ha, 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 that tickles. Ha, 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 ha. The other animals started laughing too. Squeaky giggled, Hoot hooted, Freddy the frog chuckled. Benny laughed so hard that suddenly, poof! The hiccups were gone. Benny was amazed. Hey, my hiccups are gone! Wow, who knew laughing was the best cure? Squeaky said. Sometimes the solution finds you. Hoot agreed. Freddy shrugged. Or maybe hiccups just don't like giggles. Benny smiled and said, well, if I ever get the hiccups again, I know what to do. Everyone laughed.